Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today we are going to discuss about the criteria for congruence of triangle from Congruence of Triangle 7th class NCERT. Here is the case 3, angle, side, angle. In earlier classes we already discussed about the criteria of congruence of triangles with sides, that is 3 sides, and second one is 2 sides and 1 angle. Here is about the 2 angles and 1 side. So here A means angle and let it be angle 1 and this is side and this is angle 2. Okay, if you see a triangle, here we are having 3 sides and 3 angles, right? So in order to construct a triangle we have to make 2 sides or 1 angle, 2 angles or a 1 side or 3 sides, right? So in that purpose we are going to learn about this. So if in case I will give you 1 angle, let it be 60 degrees. Okay, it is possible to make a triangle? No, it's not possible because of without any base we cannot construct a triangle, but apart from that there is angle also. So in that angle we cannot construct a triangle. If you take another angle also like 70 degrees, no, it's not also possible because of there is no base, there is no triangle. So if there is any base you can construct by using the given 2 angles, but here there is no base. Because of the base we are going to take about the side also. If I will give side as 5 centimeters, it is possible to construct with this 5 centimeters, 70 degrees and 60 degrees, right? So if you take 5 centimeters as base, okay, if you put a protractor and make 60 degrees, and if you put another protractor here and make 70 degrees, so there is a point of intersection, we are construct a triangle like this. I already explained you, that is there is no base, there is no construction of a triangle also. So by based on angle and angle side criteria we are going to construct a triangle with ASA. So let's start a construction of a triangle. See, this is the case 3, angle, side, angle example problem. Given below are measurements of some parts of 2 triangles. Examine whether the 2 triangles are congruent or not by angle, side, angle congruence rule. In case of congruence, write it in symbolic form. So this is the question and these 2 are measures of the given 2 triangles. So let's start making a triangle or constructing a triangle. So here is the steps to construct a triangle. Here is the step 1. For any triangle we have to make a base. So make base or construct a base. Here I am taking triangle DEF. Here triangle PQR. Now make a base. Here one side is given for 2 triangles, that is DF and QR 5 centimeters. So let's take a base 5 centimeters. Take base as 5 centimeters. This is 0 and this is 5. This is DF. DF as 5 centimeters. This is 1 and this is 1. If in case, if you take this also, so QR, Q and this is R as 5 centimeters. Q and R 5 centimeters. Now angle D is equal to 60 degrees, right? Take the help of protractor and make 60 degrees at point D. See, at point D 60 degrees. This is the line and make it as dotted lines. So see, this is point and this is also another point. Next at angle F 80 degrees. At point F 80 degrees. This is the point and extend the dotted lines. If you observe this, these 2 are intersecting it here. Sorry for inconvenience, and this is, see, this is the line and this is also another line. It is DF and this is the point E. Here it is 60 degrees and here it is 80 degrees. So this is the triangle DEF. Next, coming to this, angle Q is equal to 60 degrees and mark 60 degrees here, same as dotted lines. Next, here angle R is equal to 80 degrees. So 80 degrees is here. Make also 80 degrees and bisect the another angle line. This is the point P. Now make lines. So this is the triangle PQR. Q is at 60 degrees and R with 80 degrees. Now if you compare these two triangles, this is the base 5 centimeters, here also 5 centimeters, that is as side. Next, if you take two angles 60 degrees and here also 60, here 80 and here 80, it means in these two triangles, two sides and two angles also equal. So these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, as triangle DEF and triangle PQR congruence, therefore triangle DEF is approximately equal to triangle PQR. So this is the representation and this is the construction of a triangle. Here I forgot to write the steps. Step 2 is take angles relevant to the base. Similarly, step 3 also take another angle to base. So it is simple in 3 steps and this is also construction of the two angles on one side is given. So I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.